Hello, in this video I will tell you how to provide liquidity on Biswap, how to farm BSW token and how you can make money on it. First of all, I want to tell you what liquidity is for. Biswap is an exchange where each user can exchange one token for another. The exchange takes place with zero commissions and all commissions are returned back in BSW token. To exchange you need two tokens, the exchange of which is made by the user. Biswap is a liquidity aggregator and any user can become a liquidity provider. To do this you need to provide two tokens in an equal dollar equivalent. For example, a pair of BSW BNB coins. That is, the BNB token and BSW token you must have an equal amount in dollars. For example, if you plan to provide liquidity in this pair coins of $1000, then you should have $500 in BNB and $500 in BSW. Next, you combine these tokens into one and receive an LP token, which is proof that you have provided liquidity in this pair of tokens. To get unit nested tokens back, you will need to return LP tokens back, so do not give you LP tokens to anyone. For each exchange made by someone in this pair, you will receive a percentage of the reward. This percentage is divided equally in relation to investments between all users who provided liquidity. But the main income from liquidity will come from farms, which can be found in the farm section on Biswap. There are a large number of tokens pair in which you can provide liquidity and receive interest for storing ULP tokens. The annualized rate of return is shown here, and there is a calculator that shows the earnings for the year. For example, with an invested $1000, per day you will receive almost $5, almost $35 per week, almost $515 per month and $86 per year. Earnings are calculated at the current interest rate and can change both up and down. And now to practice. First, we need to decide on a trading pair. I will choose BNB and BSW tokens. Next, go to liquidity section and click add liquidity. We select our pair of coins. Enter the required amount in an equal dollar ratio, click approve and pay a small commissions for the right to provide liquidity. Next, click supply, pay the commissions again and see how we got LP tokens. From now on, we are the liquidity provider for this pair of tokens. To increase our earnings, go to the farm section, select one pair of coins, click enable farm and pay a small commission to BNB. Then press stake LP, enter the required amount and confirm. After that, our LP tokens will be added to this farm and we will receive additional income for this storage. All income will be accrued in BSW tokens and displayed in real time here. You can pick it up by clicking on the harvest button. If we want to take our LP tokens and return the BNB and BSW tokens, then we do all the same operations in the reverse order. We can send the earned BSW tokens to earn money in the launch pool section, about which there is already a video on the channel. We send our tokens to one of the pools with single tokens and get percentage for their staking. For example, if I submit my tokens to BSW pool, I will receive 346% APR. You can pick up the earned tokens at any time. That's all. I hope the video was helpful and you learned something new. Until then, see you again and bye everyone.